Oh, it's another Friday. It's the Friday before open house. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of The Driver's Side, and we're gonna be covering something I never do, and that's rapping stuff. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's going on, guys?
Not much.
What are y'all doing today?
So we're Caleb, what's the name of this color?
That is Midnight Purple.
Midnight Purple. So we're gonna be wrapping these pieces Midnight Purple. We're gonna actually about to knock out the hood.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got extra hands, so we're gonna be knocking it out and seeing how it looks on the car for the first time. So yeah, we're excited. We're about to cut the vinyl right now, actually.
So far, just been planning, making sure that all the pieces fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to be extra particular because we've only got 65 feet, you know, so we have to make sure that we're getting all the negative space between different panels, you know,
The only
covered.
reason that's the case is because we got these pieces that are going
Yeah,
on.
we've got a full kit to wrap as well.
Yeah,
It's not
so
just
if
the car.
kit.
Oh, they're cutting it close, man.
Right, yeah, we're cutting it close.
And y'all gonna be doing this
every
tomorrow?
piece needs to be perfect.
Tomorrow too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today, tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah.
As long as it takes.
Jeez.
Yeah, as long as it takes to get it perfect. But yeah, a week. We should have this whole thing done in a week.
And this is the Junction Produce shop car. Quote, shop car. But Devin just told me I look like Betty White from the back.
Well, just cleaning cars today. I'm about to paint some fiberglass. About to get wrapped on that car. Y'all probably heard about.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's
Doing
your-
whatever they need. Prepping for the open house.
Last minute, of course. So all this is going to get wrapped right here.
Let's move this to be a little bit safer.
You guys using this thing?
So CJ's feelings are hurt right now.
Yeah, it's a little bit different than what I should be doing, but I'm doing it, so it's all good.
He's doing the greater good right now.
Yeah.
This is paint incorrection. Oh, but it's smoother. So we can get it
See,
raw
now
nice.
this would be a step if I were to fix it, but I'm not fixing it and making it worse so we can put a different color on, you know? But yeah, when it's done, it's gonna be totally different car, whole new color.
It's gonna be sick.
And,
So CJ's been getting this thing down, getting ready for wrap.
Wonder Twin powers activate!
Another hat and a beard.
Hey,
Hey,
when are you going to do your job and put a car on the dyno?
we're trying to find the owner of that 1966 C10. He's eluding us. Yeah. We're going through here and ooh, look at that Century V12, baby. Woo. All right. Hi guys. What up?
We're looking for a guy with a hat and a beard, if that narrows anything down.
Yeah. No. Hat and a beard. So, oh, look at this. We got the K-Truck build-off happening. Well, I shouldn't say the build-off, but the build's paused until these guys finish their K-swap. Yeah. Doing the walkie-walk, you know. I'm loving all the old trucks, man.
I know.
You guys see the cam of this thing? That thing's a huge hobby.
Chop? The chop?
Big old chop.
Huh.
Hey, I got the hot take on the dyno.
What's that?
I heard you want to run it. We'll toss it on there.
All right.
If you're cool with it.
Who's doing the dyno?
Either me or him.
How many RPMs you gonna turn to?
Whatever
what you
that
want
we
it
were
to.
gonna ask you. Whatever you want us to.
7?
Okay.
Okay. Yep. Easy day.
Yeah. You ready?
Let's do it.
You're driving.
Oh, I got to drive. You're the truck guy.
Go ahead.
That's fine. Yeah, we'll go get stuff set up. I'm excited. This thing looks good.
It might make 25, 35 horsepower.
25, 35?
You got a lawnmower gas?
We do.
Mine's really good off lawnmower gas.
We got a lawnmower battery.
I got a lawnmower battery. You should see my truck. I think my truck will give this thing a run for its money.
I don't know about that.
It's a K truck. It makes 20 horsepower.
It makes 22 horsepower. Excuse me.
I'm sorry. What about when it was in 4-wheel drive?
Oh, I don't know about that.
What, 10?
It's like six squirrel power.
He's defending his own thing. Oh yeah, we'll meet you over there.
My truck is not as pretty as that one. Yeah. La la la.
See, I drove the cars last event. I'll let you drive this
Oh,
one.
okay. It made 945 and was spinning on the dyno. So yeah, it's too much. It's not too much, but it's too much.
Just imagine rival, dude.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, we might have our work cut out for us on that one. But at least it's all 4 wheels, you know.
Yeah. Makes it a little less scary.
All right.
But it's still scary.
What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Something Japanese? Huh. Okay.
I got it.
What are we getting? What are we getting? Ooh. What are we? Huh. What's going on down here?
You don't see these, man.
Yeah?
You don't see these. I used to have one.
Yeah?
I wish I didn't sell it.
Anything? What about the Ghostbuster car?
I don't know about that one.
I don't know about that one either. I'm just... All right. Well, got it. Who are you going to call?
How about that Camaro? No, we've been too many.
Too many Americans.
Let's grab Ed's car.
You on a gander. We're going to do some Grand Theft Auto?
Yep.
Let's see if we can get this.
Yo. Betty White.
What are you doing getting haircuts? We didn't take your job today.
I'm mad. You cut Betty White.
It's all gone. Cut it all off.
My favorite thing about today is that there was supposed to be a Driver Motorsports banner on a white 300ZX over there that ain't on there.
Also, was that too tall?
Was that a stereo?
I know what we can take, dude.
Is that a stereo?
Come here. Come here.
Hey, yeah.
How long they been?
Woo! Yeah.
How long y'all been standing there, man? God. Oh.
Huh.
All right, so are we trying to figure out how much horsepower this Aristo makes on the dyno?
Ooh.
Jeff, you want to dyno the car today? See where it makes now? See what power it makes now?
We'll see. Will she fit?
Yeah, I was just thinking that. I don't know if it's gonna make it.
Will she fit, boss? I might have to put some wood in the,
She's not gonna go over that drum.
yeah. Ah, too low. Well, we tried. So, yeah, you know, no K-Truck dynos this time.
Hey man, I'm still game if you are. That bad boy runs.
Better than the red one?
I mean, the red one exploded, so yes.
Yes.
That was the purpose for the whole K-swap, dude. She let loose on the dyno. That was after that dyno pull.
Did it really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, head gasket wasn't
I knew
happy.
it was going. Like, he approached me, and I was like, this thing ain't happy, but if y'all want to...
Hell yeah. Yeah, that's right, because it was idling like stupid high.
You would turn it off and it would run.
Yeah.
Battery upgrade.
More than you can afford, pal. Got the Insane Imports crew.
Selling air fresheners and stuff.
Yeah.
This one was on the dyno.
Got the dress up bolt crew. Yeah. Evan's car, all dress up bolts with the gold everywhere. Yeah. So you need your dressed ups. Dressupbolts.com, guys.
Daniel's car, hoodless.
Hoodless 1J.
We won't say why.
Look at these. Oh, so nice. I love it. The the black with the bronze. It gives me a very rival feel.
I kind of like those faces.
I really like them.
The lips, of course.
I want to see it aired out. Hopefully your carbon doesn't hit the ground.
I'll do it very carefully.
Yeah. Let's get some slowdowns. Slowdowns. Another midnight perp. Yeah. You know, it's Driver Motorsports doing our things. This kind of gives me like the top secret vibes.
Too bad I don't have a V12 in it, Josh.
Too bad I don't have a Toyota Century V12.
I do.
I know where you can get one.
I do love the yellow.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice little flared out GT86.
I kind of like the Lexus front bumper.
I do too.
The Lexus style.
Like the LFA type front. I don't know what that is. Comment below if you can tell me what that is. I don't know what that is. Oh, what's up, dude? Hey, we're looking around.
They can't hear you, man.
These mics are pretty good. Oh yeah, these mics are pretty good. We're taking a tour, and then we're gonna dyno some things.
Oh, nice.
Got some pizza.
Oh, I thought he was going to deep throw.
Yeah, got this nice crown right here for sale. Somebody buy that.
I've seen one of those before. Those are nice.
It's a nice crown. You know. And then
Look at
this
that.
is a GS 400.
No,
What is this?
no, Yep, that's good.
What is this?
400 or 300.
What is this? What is this? Is 430? Ooh. Is that a Supra? 2JZ
Yo, guys,
Mark
I don't know if you
IV?
ever knew this, but Chris had a Supra.
Chris had a Supra. That was probably his.
He doesn't tell
Supra.
anybody. He does not tell anybody, but he had a Supra.
I think he should bring it back. We should recreate the Supra he had back in the day.
You know they made the 15th anniversary's turbo. This one might be swapped.
Yeah. I mean, US
The 15th were normally NA auto.
NA auto car. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I don't know enough about the.
Look at that.
What are we talking about?
Somebody tried to make it manifold.
Oh. What do you mean they tried? Looks like they did.
Oh yeah, they did. What looks better, mine or that one?
Ooh, comment below. Oh.
You don't see these long.
You don't. And when you do see them, they usually don't look as nice as this one. You know, we got upper crust hanging out with us, and is it just poppin'?
Something like that.
Just poppin'?
Was popping?
Was poppin'? Ooh.
Oh, look at them guys.
What are these guys
I know
doing?
those guys.
Those guys down there, them troublemakers? Hey!
I know those people.
Look at these trucks. We got trucks and trucks and trucks and trucks. Oh.
How you doing, man?
What up, guys? How you doing? A little bit of filming going on. How's it going? Good to see you. Good to see you.
We outside.
Oh, how's it going? Good to see you. How's it going? It's another day. Doing well. Cannot complain.
Good,
I could, but it doesn't do any good. So
it doesn't do
we don't complain.
What's the point? Oh, Reese cups right there.
Oh, peanut butter cups. Oh yeah, she looked good.
Ready to go?
Oh, that's funny. See how they park all our cars right beside each other?
Yeah.
I did that.
You did that? That was pretty smooth. That was pretty smooth.
Good thinking. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like, they're going to like this shit.
Excuse me, sir. This is a no rev zone. This is a no. Just kidding.
So sorry.
Come on here.
Selling honey.
Selling honey.
Oh, bother. Selling honey.
Long December.
Kel, can't touch me like that.
I will touch you later.
Not right now.
Why not?
Huh? Who's advertising here?
I'm advertising. My name is Evo. My dad has a bee farm, and he gave me some honey today to sell.
Ooh,
Honey.
honey. How much is the honey?
Honey. How much is honey?
$11 a bottle.
$11 a bottle, people.
Dollars a bottle. Let's see how many doll hairs I have.
Think you got a sale.
We take Cash App too.
Cash App too.
well.
Look at that. Look at that.
Well, I've got $5.
$5.
Yeah, how much honey can I get for $5?
$5.
You can get a taste testing.
Who's wearing the honey
What?
for the taste testing? Somebody has to wear the honey for me to taste test it. So
Actually, I think Kelvin will be down.
So
For 20, I can give you 2 bottles.
20 for 20 for
Look at that.
$2.
I will play your game.
All right.
That's a deal. Let me get this in the camera.
Look at that sale. Look at that sale. You come here, Drive Motorsports. You sell stuff.
Get some honey.
There you go.
Let me put this
Look
back
at
in
that.
my
Look at how
pocket.
beautiful that is.
Look at this.
Look at that.
Look at these honeys. I like honey.
That's nice honey.
Off the farm.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Local honey.
Local
What do you
honey.
guys say?
All right. Now we're talking. You guys want some honey?
Maybe.
$10 a jar. I got you right here. It's a discount.
No, it's 12 now.
Oh, 12.
You didn't know my first car was a 68 C10. So. Ooh. This is a 68 because it's got side markers.
Is that the only difference?
Yep. Only difference.
Oh.
67 and 68 were the same except for the side markers.
Oh, dang.
67 didn't have side markers.
Look at these wheels. What's going on here? Those look like they're something bigger than an OE. That's pretty nice. It does all the things.
Yeah. 350 or
And it
307, factory 307 fluid.
and it lays frame.
Yeah.
So
It doesn't lay frame. It
okay.
is this close from laying frame.
okay. Well, the body touch looks like the body. Well, if it
body.
wasn't rusty out the bottom, it would touch. I
It
get
don't
it.
touch on the body. It's literally two fingers lips.
Oh,
from
man.
laying frame.
Give you an update on these guys right here. I've been working hard for days now.
Yep.
Because you can't rush perfection.
Right, especially not with vinyl. Yeah,
No.
we've been working our butts off trying to get this stuff done, but we're getting there. We've got 2 more body panel pieces to lay. He's cutting that quarter right now, so we're getting there. We got just a couple more body pieces for the body kit to do, and then we got that front bumper, and then that's it. It's a wrap.
Whoa.
No pun intended.
Oh,
So,
it's a wrap.
Yep.
Quiet on the set!
So yeah, we'll see how far we get done today. I'm hoping to have the whole car done as far as like panels go, and then finish the kit, and hopefully by tomorrow, we'll be done.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. It was kind of everywhere just because we had a lot going on. We have the car being wrapped, the open house, all that good stuff. But stay tuned next week when we reveal the shop car after the wrap is done with all the body panels on it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell icon so you get notifications every time we post a video. Also, leave comments in the comment section about stuff you'd like to see. If there's stuff you want to see more detail on, any video ideas you might have, we'd love to hear the feedback. So we'll catch you next time.